Hi, this is one more classic Sudoku. This puzzle is taken from Enthralling Sudoku, and this puzzle is test solved by Kota Morinishi, and his timing is 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So let's start this. Okay, see this box 2. In this box 2, because of these two nines, we can simply block these cells for 9, and because of this 9 we can block this cell for 9. So the only possible place for 9 is this. Alright, again see these 2 and this 2, we can block these cells for 2, and this must be 2. Alright, now let's do some more pencil markings. Now let's write all the possible candidates in this cell. This is 3, 4 and 5. Okay, here we got the 3, 4, 5. Then in this must be 7. Or this is 1, 2, not 3, 4 and 9. Okay, let's do all the pencil marking. Okay, again because of these two we will do the pencil marking for 2, 6 and 2, 6. Alright, now this box 3, because of these two ones we can block these cells for 1, and now this must be 1. Alright, let's don't erase this pencil marking. Now 4, 5 and 7. Here we got the 4, 5 and 7 triplet. Let's write all the candidates in this box. 4, 5 and 7. 4, 5 and 7. 4, 5 and 7. Alright. Scan some more. Okay, now check this box 7th. Check this box 7th. Alright. And this cell, let's try to find out the candidate for this cell. 9 is not possible. 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4. Only 3 we can write here. 3, 2 and 1. 2 and 1 we cannot write, so this must be 3. Alright, so this is 3. Now if these are 7, so 7 will come in either of these two cells, and this we got 3, 7 pair, and because of this 3 we can eliminate 3 from this cell, and this must be 7. So this is 7 and this must be 3. So if this is 7, we can eliminate 7 from this cell. So this is 4 and 5. Okay. scan. Okay, this is already 5, so we can eliminate 5 also from this cell, so this must be 4. And if this is 4, we can eliminate 4 from this cell. This must be 9. And we can also eliminate 4 from this cell. So this is either 3 or 5. Either 3 or 5. Now see, again in the box 2, we can simply block these cells for 4, and here also we can block for 4. So this must be 4. Now let's continue with the 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We got 4, 8 pair in these two cells. This must be 4, 8, 4, 8 pair. Alright. Now check the third row. Check the third row. Only 3 numbers are left, that is 1, 3 and 7. 1, 3 and 7. Okay, from there we are not getting anything. Fine, just see this box 2. Here we cannot place 7. So 7 will come in either of these two cells. So if these are 7, if any one of these is 7, then we can simply eliminate 7 from this cell. And now this must be 7. Now only one cell is left, that is 6. Okay. Now if this is 6, now check this row 8. Only 2 numbers are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. And 5 we cannot place here because of this 5. So this is 5 and 8. Now column number 3, only 3 cells are left. So 1, 2 and 4. So we'll do the pencil marking. We'll get 1, 2 and 4 triplet. 1, 2 and 4. And from this we can erase 2, eliminate 2, and we'll get 1, 4. Okay. Again in the column 7, we have 3 cells. That is 9. 9 is there. 8. 8, 2 and 1. 2, 8 and 1. And we can, because of this 2 and 8, we cannot write 2 and 8 in this cell. So this must be 1. And if this is 1, we can eliminate 1 from here. This is 4. Now 2, 8. 2, 8. And if this is 4, we can eliminate 4 from these cells. This must be 1, 2, 1, 2. Fine. Now see this box 4, because of these two 4s, we'll write 4 here. Now not anything. Nine, 8. The last box, 4 numbers are left. 9, 8, 2 and 4. This is 2. All right. Oh, still we are not getting anything. See this first box, only 3 numbers are left. That is 1, 3 and 7. 1, 3 and 7. 1 we cannot place here, so this must be 3, 7. And from this we can erase 4. And this is 5, 7, 5, 7. Again this is 3, 5 and 7, so this must be either 5 or 7, 3 or 7, 3, 5. All right. This is little tough. Still we are not getting anything. Okay. This was so obvious, but fine. In this box only 2 numbers are left, 1 and 3, and 1 we cannot place here, so this is 1, this is 3, and if this is 3 we can eliminate 3 from this cell. Now this is 5, 7, 3, 5 and 7 and 3. Okay, our second row is completely solved. Fine. Okay, because of this one, now we can simply block these 2 cells for 1. Now this is 1, 5 and 8. So our middle 3 columns are completely done now. Okay, let's carry on with the same 8. Because of this 8 and this 8, we can block these cells for 8. This is 8 now. And now this is 9. Only 4 and 2. 2 numbers are left, that is 2 and 4. So this is 2. This is 4. Now if this is 4, we can eliminate 4 from the first row. This is 4 and 8. Now in the last box only 2 numbers are left. That is 2 and 4. So do the pencil marking 2, 4, 2, 4. And in this 1 and 6. So 1 and 6, 1 and 6. All right. Now check this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 6 and 7. So this must be 6 and 7. I'm trying to write all the possible candidates. So this is 6 and 7. Now this must be 5 or 5, 6 and 9. All right, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, this was so obvious. If this is 1, we can eliminate 1 from here. No, this is 2, 1, 2, 8. It was so obvious. And now because of these two 8s, we can block these cells for 8, and because of this 8, simply we can block these cells. So this is 8 now. Now in this 4th row, only 3 numbers are left, 3, 6 and 7. And here we cannot write 3, we cannot write 7, so this must be 6. So this is 6. And if this is 6, we can eliminate 6 from this cell. This is 7. Now the only place for 7 is this. Now this is 7, 1, 1, 6. Now our puzzle is almost solved. 6, 9, 9, 5, 3, 3. Now 4 and 5, 2 and 6. So because of this 6, we can eliminate 6 from here. So this is 6, 2, 2, 4, 4 and 5. Now our puzzle is done. All the best. हो गया.